Bigyan na tayo ng hanggan para simulan ang ating actual draw. Whereby see how, let's play slow.
Timer ready. 1, 2, 3, engage, blower.
23.
Timer ready. 1, 2, 3, engage, blower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select.
Second winning number. At po yan, number 9. Number 9. Ulitin ko lang ako. Ang small town lottery winning combination para sa gabi ito ay 23 and 9 in exact order. Congratulations po sa mananalo. Isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Get our winning combination for the third SPL draw for June 17, 2024. Certified by our panel of judges is 2309. Again, it's the number 23.